welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina and I make videos on health, lifestyle, and home. Today I wanted to share how I make my chicken bone broth from the scraps that I have left over in my refrigerator. I know for me, I thought making bone broth was intimidating, but it is super easy, delicious, and has enormous health benefits. Animal bones contain vitamins and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Tissues and bones also contain collagen, which turns into gelatin once cooked, and provide our bodies with essential amino acids that help us produce collagen, which protects our joints, improves our skin and hair, and strengthens our teeth, bones, and nails. Another benefit is the amino acid in the broth called glutamine helps to heal our guts from conditions like leaky gut and inflammatory bowel disease. I like sipping on bone broth at night to help me get to sleep, reduce inflammation, and seal my gut. So let's get into how I make my broth, and be sure to stick around for my hack to getting the most gelatin into your broth. I am using the carcass meat removed from the whole chicken I cooked earlier in the night. Place the carcass into a crock pot and add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to pull out the vitamins, minerals, and collagen from the bones. Fill up the crock pot with filtered water until it covers the carcass. I like to add any scraps from vegetables that I have used throughout the week. I'll save my scraps and put them in my freezer until I'm ready to use them in my broth. Here I am using celery, the outer layer of onions, and broccoli stalks. You can also add in things like carrots, ginger, garlic, etc. But don't add anything that would become mushy after simmering, such as potatoes. I am also adding some herbs for flavor. I used a heaping teaspoon of thyme, basil, and rosemary. Place the lid on the crock pot and set on low and let simmer for 24 to 48 hours. Once the broth is finished, discard the vegetables and carcass, then strain the broth into some storage containers. Here I am using quart-sized mason jars. Now it's time for my gelatin hack. When you bake your whole chicken in the oven, save and strain the liquid from the bottom of the pan. Store in a container and place in the refrigerator until your broth is done. Once the broth is finished, pull out the liquid, which is now gelatin. Scrape off the fat off the top and place the fat in the trash. Divide up the gelatin and place into the jars of hot broth. Once you've done this, place lids on your jars and store in the refrigerator until you're ready to use. To reheat the broth, place the contents of the jar in a pot and simmer for a couple of minutes. Pour into a mug and enjoy. I hope you found this video helpful. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!